Okay guys, take a look at this. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this croissant. It is very simple and easy to make. Trust me, you are going to love it. So to start with, you need warm milk or warm water. Go in with your yeast, stir it, and then cover it for about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to cover it and set it aside to stay for 5 minutes. Remember, use lukewarm water. Next, on my mixer, I go in with 2 cups of flour. I added 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then I go in with my yeast. And then I added some condensed milk. Remember the one I told you guys I made is still on my page. Just scroll down and watch the video. Next, I begin to mix my dough. Mix it and then go in with water bit by bit. Remember, do not add too much water. Once I'm done, this is how the dough is. If you mix your dough very well, it's not going to be sticky. You don't need dry flour to knead your dough if your dough is mixed very well. Next, I cover it. I left it to stay for about 20 minutes. And then I come back to the dough. I knead it again. Once I'm done kneading it, I'm going to use my rolling stick to spread it, I speak that English correct, around the table like this. And then I apply butter on it. This is my first time making croissant. I watched this video online and I decided to challenge myself. So every step I am making, I am following is the one I watched on the video. And then I continue to apply butter on it, as you can see. While I was applying this butter, I tell myself, say, I hope so I never make mistake because this thing is not turning up like the video I watched. But I continue anyway. And then I apply it all. Everywhere was messed up, but I know still send. I cover it again, allow it to stay for another 20 minutes. When I came back, it wasn't giving me the vibe I saw on the video I watched. I decided to knead it again and knead all the butter into it. Once I'm done, I start to spread it around again. And then I cut it into two. Try to make pack the corner of it straight, and then I begin to cut it into triangle shape. Croissant is one of my favorite snack. Whenever I go for shopping, I usually buy it, and I keep wondering, how do they make this thing? So next, I added some white chocolate and brown chocolate on it, which is totally optional. And then I started folding it gently. And then once I'm done folding it, I'm going to place it in my baking tray. Looking at it, my croissant is coming together. So once I'm done folding it, I placed it on my baking tray like this. Now tell me, after watching this video up to this moment, does it look like something you're going to try? Trust me, your kids are going to love it. So I cover it again for it to double in size. This time I left it for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to use my egg yolk to apply on top of it, as you can see. And then once I'm done, I'm going to bake it in the oven. If you've watched this video up to this point, let me know where you're watching this video from. So on my next one, I'm going to give you a shout out. Guys, take a look at this. It came out perfectly well and it's so soft. Guess what? It tastes so delicious. Just take a look at the inside. Now tell me in the comment section, did I got it right? Drop your comments in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, please help me to share. Bye.